A quiet morning sunlight dances across the garden path. I pause, noticing something shimmering among the greenery. Curiosity draws me closer. What's catching the light so beautifully? 3 stainless steel gazing balls rest elegantly on the lawn. Their mirror-polished surfaces reflect the sky and trees perfectly. Each globe, large, medium, and small, adds a unique dimension. The garden feels transformed, suddenly modern and full of life. I remember last season when my garden felt dull and ordinary. Now light bounces playfully, creating dynamic focal points everywhere. Rain or shine, these gazing balls remain flawless and bright. Neighbors stop by, admiring the contemporary elegance they bring. Even at dusk, reflections shimmer, adding magic to every corner. My garden is now a place of inspiration and pride. Want to elevate your outdoor space? Try these stainless steel gazing balls. Bring home modern elegance, let your garden shine.